Want to get GhostMail Pro for free for 3 months? In this video, I'll show you how to claim the 3-month Pro offer without paying for the subscription. So let's get started. First, open the Play Store and download the GhostMail app. With the free plan, you only get 4 credits. To upgrade, open the app's settings and tap on Redeem Coupon. I recently shared a 1-month coupon code in my private group. If you also want access to the private group, you can join by purchasing the channel membership. This code is still working, so let's redeem it. After redeeming the code, you'll get 1 month of PRO access along with 5,000 credits. By the way, if you find these free tools and offers useful, subscribe to the channel for more. GhostMail provides multiple email domains that you can use to create email addresses. Once you've created an email address, you can use it for signing up on websites. Now, here's the 3-month coupon code. Enter the code and redeem it. This time, you'll get 3 months of PRO access along with 10,000 credits. And that's it. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe for more free tools and useful offers.